Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today I want to talk about MMPro or Market Making Pro. What is it? What's so special about it? And kind of the token utility provided about the B2B platform for market making in the cryptocurrency market. So, like I said, the MM or market maker is a market participant who creates token liquidity by placing transactions and controlling the price of an asset on the market. I'm going to jump through the token sale. I'm going to jump through the about and tell you guys why you shouldn't invest in this. And I'm also going to say, guys, before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. To start off, though, I want to talk about some of the cool utility that the token does provide. All their clients need to pay in MMPro. There's also multi-farming. Earnings from price making go, really kind of goes to buyback and burn. And then also staking from some yield earnings. And you also need to use their tokens to purchase their bots. So tokens are going to be something you need quite a bit of to continue to utilize what they have here. And I'm going to show you guys some of the advantages of actually jumping in with Market Making Pro. So if we jump down, you can see that they've been working on this since 2017, more than 50 agents worldwide, more than 250 projects since 2017 as well, more than 20 cryptocurrency exchanges, and the total capitalization of our clients is more than several $billions. So there's a massive amount of money already invested and involved in this project. We can also see they invite you to consider two solutions of our trade products. One, they have the rent a terminal with algorithmic bots, and then they have the outsource a team marketing or really market making. So you can see more into both of these. I'm not going to jump too deep into these because I want to talk a little bit more about the overview of marketmaking.pro. And if you guys want to check this out, by the way, I will have all links down in the description below, so you guys can take a look in the description and check out the website, check out how to actually get involved and get started, and maybe make a purchase yourself. But we have rent a terminal with algorithmic bots. So they have the volume bot, they have the bot spreader, the duplicate a course, balance protection, anti-arbitrage, Telegram notification, reporting, dashboard, and they talk about how it all works. So, one, we have the service registration, of course. We have the Connect API, step 2, and then step 3 being configuring the necessary bots. And they have a bot free trial, which actually helps people kind of get a test, a feel for the bots themselves before they make their purchases. And then they talk about the outsourcing of the market making team, creation of liquidity, simulation of active trades in the order book, setting up and integrating bots, reporting, technical support for bots, traders per exchange for all trading pairs, 24/7 support, and strategy creation in accordance with the customer task. So there's a lot of reasons as to why people are going to be interested in this kind of program, in this kind of multi market money making type strategy here. If we see here how it works, it goes through step 1 being the coin audit, step 2 being the formation of the required budget for MM, and step 3 being the integration of bots and adjustments. You can also see that we talked about before some of the advancements, or not the advancements, but the advantages of market making is the dashboard, 24/7 support, best pricing guaranteed. They have that 20 plus connected exchanges, education, and personal traders out there, and positive ratings in CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. So you can see they are pricing here as well. So the dashboard being free, you can test everything out. Like I said, a free trial and everything. They also have the terminal rental and the team rental. So if you guys want to go all in or all out, you definitely can do so with marketmaking.pro. I do want to check this out as well. So at the very bottom, you can see order a free audit now. So this is one cool thing that they do for free is a audit on a certain project. So I'm going to show you guys how this works here. We go in, and you can see I actually have my email here. I was making sure that wasn't my personal email, and it's not, so that's good. But you can actually put your email, your Telegram, and get started very, very easily in getting that free trial. And the manager will get back to you shortly. So what is the budget for MM? They talk about how to connect via API. And yes, the bot does connect via API on exchanges. The balance protection, yes, they do have that balance protection set up. For a limit, and the bot stops and sends a notification if that limit is met. And then they talk about some of the partner exchanges. Obviously, these Q&As, we could go through them all. I'm not going to go through every single one, but the partner exchanges is big. It shows some of the big exchanges out there that they are working with, that being Binance, Upbit, BitThumb, Bitforex. These are all probably exchanges you guys have heard of, and there's a lot of them. HitBTC, Whitebit, Probit. They're all there. They're all available. And if we jump down a little bit farther, you can see keep in touch as well. They do have Telegram, Twitter. So you can actually take a look at those and stay up to date on their social medias as well. Like I said, In the bottom of today's video, I will have all the social media links, whether that's Telegram, Twitter, their website, so you guys can take advantage of this, like I said, yourself as well. If we actually jump into opening the app, or if we jump into the MMPro token sale, you do need to sign in and register to actually get into the Market Making Pro dashboard. I definitely suggest doing this to actually see a little bit more of what they have to offer. I do also want to jump in, like I said, to this token sale though, because here the best market making platform for your cryptocurrency project. It goes over the tokenomics for MMPro in the airdrop campaign. So if we jump into the airdrop campaign, this is going to be something that really there's going to be a lot of focus on as it loads here on the side. There we go. So I have cookies disabled, so all you have to do is click this to enter, and it'll actually show you guys how to get entered with Market Making Pro. So you just fill the whitelist form out, you follow, retweets, a couple things. There's a website, refer friends for extra entries. So it's very, very easy to get started and get into that whitelist if you guys want to kind of take advantage of Market Making Pro and when it does, like I said, release as well. I do want to jump back though, because in this about, it kind of goes through some of the cool things that a lot of people don't realize. If we go all the way down to the bottom here, it has the liquidity control, price control, gas tracker, and transaction estimate, price alerts, daily volume controller, price and predictor estimator, arbitrage controller, integration with Ethereum mainnet, BSC, Avalanche, Polkadot, price follower from, and really two CEXs, and they have the active users controller, polls, profits analytics, and spot daily analytics. And they go into their roadmap and details on what they've been working on and what they are continuing to be working on. And the roadmap's something you guys should always be looking at when you're looking into a new project. It's going to be where you can find out if this project's actually continuing to make progress or if they've been stuck on certain things for quite some time. So you can see volume control on Uniswap and PancakeSwap, all this stuff, is things that they've been working on in progress for Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 in 2021. They talk about the tokenomics as well, being a solid tokenomics forms. I'm not going to go into all the tokenomics because they do talk about token distribution and use of proceeds, and it's something you definitely should look at if you are looking to get involved. We also have the MMPro team, so this is something where you can see the CEO, the CTO, the COO, and the CMO, and so much more, going into a little bit more details on some of the team and developers surrounding themselves with this project. So it's definitely something that I'm looking forward to seeing more of. If you guys want to see more of it, definitely like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on. If you want to take advantage of it, make sure to go into, like I said, the description of today's video. Click on a few of those links. It'll take you over to the website so you guys can get started yourself and look a little bit farther into it. Thank you guys again for tuning in. I'll see you all in the next one.